Hello everyone, how's your life? I'm Widya. I'm student of Universitas Maritim Raja Ali Haji from English Education Department, class K2. Today, I would like to explain to you about journal article. I will take 15 minutes of your time this morning. The title of journal article is The Student Academic Speaking Skill Achievement in Some of Communication, Personality, and Gender. Authored by Ikpi Imania and Nurul Fitria Kumaladewi of English Education, Department Faculty of Teacher Training and Education Muhammadiyah, University of Tangerang. The aim of the research is to analyze the correlation of student communication, student personality, and gender on their academic speaking skill achievement. In relation to men and women, the most basic stereotypical expectation is simply that they will be different rather than the same. Here, the research observe and analysis the students' academic speaking skill in terms of communication, personality, and gender. Whether there is significant correlation on them or not. The data that the research gathered in this research questionnaire and test. The questionnaire were taken to analyze the level of student communication and their personality. The questionnaire consists of 55 questions which are relevant with men and women communication and personality. The sample that the research used were 46 students, 26 of women, and 20 of men. The student communication skill was in high and middle level of communication. Based on the type of student personality, there were two types of personality, extrovert and introvert. The last data was taken from students' academic speaking tests on the discussion between men and women, differences and similarities in communication. The research would like to discuss the academic speaking skill achievement in terms of communication, personality, and gender. In this case, the discussion focused on student Muhammadiyah University of Tangerang. The research method used was a causal relationship in fact analysis. The research sample were 55 students consisting of 25 female students and 20 male students. The result of the questionnaire said that the students' ability to communicate were in the middle level, which means a student has a ability to communicate, while the personality types were extrovert and introvert. In other words, the result of the study did not show any significant difference between achievement of student speaking skill with a type of introvert and extrovert personality. Student academic speaking skill achievement with communication skill, as well as academic speaking skill achievement with gender. Result of the analysis saw no differences in academic speaking skill achievement, but in terms of the type of personality, communication skill, and gender. Rejection of the hypothesis can be caused by several factors, but technical and conceptual nature. Theoretically, it can be explained that the result saw no significant difference between the achievement of academic speaking skill with a personality type. This is because The personality is not only factor in student academic speaking skill achievement, if the sum of the sex between a male and female student show no significant difference, probably due to the stereotype that exists in society to men and women who began in line with gender balance. So, in some of the nature that man is masculine with the characteristic of handsome, mighty, and rational, while women who rated more feminine by nature, gentle, emotional, affectionate. Communication for individual has several functions, namely the function of emotion, information, motivation, and the control function. Communication has the principal function to convey a message or information from one individual to another. Thus, functions are very important to build understanding among individuals as well as function to express his emotion, meet social need, and motivate each other. The aspects of communication consist of 4 sections, whereas in the process of the 4 aspects of communication cannot be separate from one another. Communication aspect, namely aspect of sending a message, receive the message, aspect of asking for feedback, and aspect of giving feedback. Good communication can improve interpersonal relationship, which should have 3 factors in it, namely trust, supportiveness, and open-mindedness. In conclusion, based on the result of the study did not show any significant differences between the achievement of academic speaking skill of students with introvert and extrovert personality types. Achievement of academic speaking skill with communication skill as well as academic speaking skill achievement with gender. Result of the analysis saw no differences in academic speaking skill achievement, but in terms of the type of personality, communication skill, and gender. Rejection of the hypothesis can be caused by several factors, but technical and conceptual nature. Technically, it can be evaluated from the measuring instrument, the student, and research design. Measuring instrument used to note the extent to which the measuring instrument can distinguish the individual personality types, introvert and extrovert personality types. Other limitations include the implementation of incidental research data. Consequently, the research cannot control it. In short, the students do not answer the question which reflect the situation themselves. I think that's enough. If you have any question, please feel free to interrupt. That's all the time I have for today. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.